The Caesar salad we all know and love so well actually comes from Tijuana, Mexico, invented by the man himself, Cesar Cardini, in 1924. It's one of my favorite salads, but this is what's on the grill, so I'm turning it on its head and grilling the lettuce. Just a shot of oil, and it's ready for the grill. So yeah, you could go to a store and buy your own Caesar dressing, but I'm telling you, it's so easy to make. Let's do it together. So I first start off with an egg. I put a whole egg in there. It makes it really nice and silky, and plus, if you put a lot of lemon juice in there, it cures the egg, and so it becomes really nice and creamy. All right, Dijon mustard. Anchovies have to go in there. In a good Caesar salad dressing, there's a form of garlic. I'm gonna use roasted garlic. This stuff is really simple. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and some thyme, and that roasted garlic can go right in. Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper is gonna highlight all the natural, beautiful flavors of everything in the salad and make it pop. So once everything's in there, the lid's on, hit it, and slowly drain in the oil. It's like building a mayo. With the Dijon, the eggs, a little bit of acid, and then you slowly drain in the oil. You get something really nice and thick like a mayonnaise. That's delicious. So at the end, I'm gonna dust it in fresh grated parm, but I'm gonna make a cheese chip. What? Yep, a cheese chip. So step one, put some cheese in a nonstick pan. All right, so once you see some golden brown color and most of the moisture is evaporated away, then it's time to flip it. So just be careful, lift it up. Just bring the spatula all the way around. Yeah, check this out. Put it back, let the other side crisp up just a little bit, not too long, maybe like 5 seconds. And then it can go onto some paper towel, just like that. And it hardens right away. It's delicious. So, it's not complete without some bacon. Instead of regular bacon, I'm gonna use pancetta. As soon as that pancetta hits the pan, the fat goes translucent, starts to cook out, starts to get really crispy, and that smell is heaven. I love when the bacon gets really nice and crispy like that. And then the inside's kind of soft and gooey, delicious. And these are gonna make great fat croutons. All right, let's go to the queue. All right, barbecue nice and hot. A quick char on the lettuce, a quick char on the bread. They take about the same amount of time. Have fun. This is gonna be good. That looks great. So there's two options to plate this. One, you could cut it up like a regular Caesar salad, but I'm gonna leave it whole. This is a fork and knife salad, and you know me, I like it when it's more dramatic. Just tear it up, make it look nice and rustic, nice chewy pieces of grilled bread. You can use regular bacon, but honestly, get yourself some pancetta. You can fry it, you can oven bake it, and it just adds a salty kick. And for the cheese chip, break it up, take your time, make it look pretty, delicious. And because I'm old-fashioned at heart, just a nice snow of fresh grated parm. And in honor of my mother, because she loves a good old grilled Caesar salad, a few twists of black pepper. Check this platter out. It is a feast for the eyes. I love the look of this salad. You want everything on that bite. Cheese, the lettuce, the bacon, the crouton. The char on the lettuce is unbelievable. It's crunchy, it soaks up all that dressing because the salad's a little bit warm, but then you throw on crispy pancetta and cheese and croutons. That thing is delicious and it looks stunning.